Hi everyone, this is just a quick supplemental video. When I sent out that message about changing your profile picture on Blackboard, I got a lot of messages back that suggested to me that maybe we weren't navigating through the course in the right way because people were asking how to change that, and I'd already posted a video about that. And so I'm wondering if we know where to find everything that we're looking for. So I just wanted to kind of go through and explain again how things are organized. So again, when you log on to the course, you'll see this welcome to ENGL 102, and over to the left I have the assignments that you need to do for each week. So for last week, our first week was August 26th through 27th. This week we have August 31st through September 3rd. I will post the next ones going through, and so you're going to just work through these in order, right? You've got to go in order. So don't start here on August 31st until you have finished the 26th and the 27th. And these will be the oldest ones will be at the top. So just work from the top down. Okay. And if you were to click on what we had for the 26th and the 27th, you'll see I organize these folders in the same way each time. So at the top, you've got Getting Started Instructions. And the Getting Started Instructions, as you can see here, list through all the things that you need to do in this section, right? And it says read the syllabus, review the schedule of assignments through September, watch the class theme and description video, watch the asynchronous class and office hours video, watch overview of assignments video, and then down here it had watch the basic Blackboard basic information video. That's the one where I showed you specifically how to change your profile picture. And then you're all supposed to complete the student profile survey. So a couple things may be happening. Either we're not seeing all of that, or we might not be watching all the videos. Now, I know we might feel, wow, we'll just skip through. I can do the other things without watching the video. But the videos are where I explain what you're supposed to be doing. That's going to be particularly important this week and a lot of other weeks moving forward, because I'll explain how to complete the assignment. Sometimes I have a piece of paper and a document, a file that explains the assignment, but then I tell you how to do that, right? I provide some extra information. That's where a lot of the teaching happens, right? Where I'm really explaining what I mean by some of these things. So you've got to make sure to watch the videos. And so if you were to work through that Getting Started instructions all the way through, you would see down here, they came in order, right? The videos were in order: class theme and description, asynchronous class and office hours, overview of assignments, and then down here, Blackboard basic info. And if you watch that whole movie, it shows you how to change your profile picture. And again, the profile picture gets changed up here. I won't show you that again here because you can watch that video. But so you've got to make sure that you are going through these in order. So you do all of the items in here, look at the instructions. They're numbered, and so do each item in there and make sure that you're watching all of the videos, because again, some of them don't have quizzes in them, but even if they don't have quizzes in them, you still have to be watching them because that's where I'm explaining some things. So somewhere in there was some confusion about that in terms of the profile picture. So again, just make sure that you're following through. Again, I'll get the assignments for next week, which will be September 8th through 10th. I'll get those posted in a day or two, so you'll have those. Again, you don't need to start those yet. They're not due until next week. I just have a tendency to post them earlier because some people want to get started earlier. You don't have to start, you didn't have to start this one until today, right? Until August 31st. I posted it last week because some people might have felt like, I'd like to get a jump start on this. I'd like to start on this over the weekend. And so I'll do the same thing for next week assignments. I'll get them posted in the next couple of days, so that if you want to start on them over the weekend, keep ahead, or if you've got work coming up and you won't be able to complete it during the week when it's actually due, I like to try and get it to you a little bit ahead. So look at that. Again, if you have any questions about how things are laid out, let me know, but I just wanted to send out this video because it became clear to me that some of you, for whatever reasons, were confused about posting your profile picture. So go ahead and change that profile picture to something. Watch the video, it'll show you how to do that, and get that posted this week.